You're not broke, you're just unorganized. Most people don't need more money, they need a better system. So here's the 3-bucket money system that fixes your chaos. Bucket 1, needs. Rent, food, transport, minimum debt payments. If you needed to stay alive or out of trouble, it goes here. Aim for around 50% of your take-home pay. Bucket 2, future you. This is savings and investing. Emergency fund, debt payoff extra, retirement, index funds. Automate this. Money should hit this bucket the same day you get paid, before you can touch it. Bucket 3, fun and flex. This is guilt-free money. Eating out, clothes, trips, gadgets, all the stuff you feel bad about. If it doesn't fit in bucket 3, you don't buy it. Period. Here's the catch. Most people mix all 3 buckets in one checking account. That's why you feel broke. You're not broke. Your money is just all in the same messy pile. So here's what you do tonight. Log into your bank. Create or rename 3 separate accounts, or use 2 checking accounts and 1 savings. Label them needs, future you, and fun. Next paycheck, split your money into those buckets on day 1. Even if it's not perfect. Track it for 30 days and watch how the stress drops. You don't need a fancy app. You just need 3 buckets and a simple rule. Organized money feels like more money. Save this video and follow for tomorrow's step-by-step upgrade.